Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to check battery level on your headphones REALME Buds Air 5 Pro. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to click on empty space. Now click on plus, scroll down and click on batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you, let's say that's okay for me, and click add widget. Now we can check battery level. The second one is to use an application. So open it, choose your device, and right here, after it connected, we can check a battery level of our headphones and also on the case. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!